If you're looking to secure your side hustles and projects with one tool, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use a single piece of software to protect your side income and personal projects, all without the hassle of juggling multiple services. Stick around until the end to get an exclusive free trial link for this software, only available for my viewers. So why are we talking about securing side hustles? It's because in today's digital world, your side projects need the right kind of protection, especially if they're generating income or personal data. Whether you're working on freelance gigs, an online store, or managing multiple clients, you want a tool that locks everything down in one place, streamlines your workflow, and saves you time. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. The software we're using is perfect for securing your side hustles. And here's the secret to why it's better than everything else I've tried. Most popular tools focus on one or two areas like data protection or team management, but our software combines the best features of both and wraps them in a simple, easy-to-use interface. It's built to scale with your hustle, whether you're running a solo operation or growing a team. The first thing you'll want to do is set up two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection for all your accounts linked to the software, from your payment systems to your personal project management tools. That means if anyone tries to access your accounts, they'll need more than just a password to get in. Next, set up encrypted storage. This is key for keeping sensitive information, like client details or business plans, safe from unauthorized access. The software uses top-notch encryption standards, ensuring your files are completely secure, no matter where you're working from. Now, let's talk backups. You can never be too careful when it comes to losing important data. This software makes automatic backups easy and ensures that if anything goes wrong, you won't lose a single file or piece of crucial information. Set this up, and you'll have peace of mind knowing your side hustle is always protected. For added security, I recommend using the built-in access controls. This allows you to set permissions for different users if you're working with a team. You can control who sees what and who can make changes. This way, you protect your projects from unnecessary risks while still enabling collaboration. The last thing you should set up is automatic updates. Our software does this for you, so you'll always have the latest security patches and new features without lifting a finger. This is one of the easiest ways to make sure your side hustles stay secure in an ever-changing digital world. To wrap things up, I'll say this. Securing your side hustles doesn't have to be complicated. With this software, you can protect your work, save time, and scale your projects without worrying about security issues. By setting up two-factor authentication, encrypted storage, automated backups, access controls, and automatic updates, you're ensuring that your side hustles are as safe as they can be. One key takeaway here is that you only need one tool to do it all. Don't waste time trying to juggle multiple services when our software offers everything you need in one place. And before you go, make sure to grab your exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's only available for viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. That's it for today. If you've got any questions or need help setting things up, drop a comment below. Don't forget to take advantage of that free trial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.